Hello people. So I have this problem, as you can see on the 7300 screen. It's hooked up to my end-fed dipole. The 857D is not hooked up to any antenna. This noise usually ends around 7 a.m. and you'll hear it. It sounds like an interrogation signal. I want to get your opinion on it. Pretty annoying seeing the screen like that till sometime in the early wee hours, till about 7 a.m. I've turned the complete house power off and run the radios on backup battery, and it still is there. Swapped antennas, still there. Neighbors moved in 2 weeks ago, so the noise came shortly after. It radiates through all the bands, 40 being the absolute worst. Let me change it here. So a little less on 40, or on 80, sorry. And there it is. And you can see the OVF popping. So she's close. Sound is definitely close. And then, as you can see, what I thought was beacons, they're all three equal horrible little lines here. This is the 7300 picking up this electrical noise. If y'all have any idea, there's not a lot of help channels out here. I have checked everything with a directional antenna outside, through the 857D with a box and a battery, and went out there with a little small beam to try to find this. I've went around to every power pole, haven't found it yet. When it rained yesterday, it's still the same noise. Let's see if I can hear it here. Not up there. So if y'all can help, that would be greatly appreciated. Thank you. W4OW.